Maqsuda Begum.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum Salam. How are you, Maqsuda Begum?
I am fine, Alhamdulillah. How are you, sir?
I'm also pretty much well. So, is this your full name, Maqsuda Begum?
My name is Maqsuda
So,
Begum.
where do you live, Maqsuda Begum?
I live in Dhaka.
And what do you do?
I am a teacher.
Do you like teaching profession, Maqsuda Begum?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I always like teaching profession.
That's great.
Yes.
So, why do you like teaching profession?
Because actually my husband is a college professor. My father is a teacher. And then brother and daughter is also teacher. Actually,
Oh,
total family is teacher.
teacher.
So I
Okay. So, your
my
whole
husband
family is teacher.
my husband is a Titumur College, Titur Bob College. His subject is social work.
So, what's your school name?
My school's name is Hajrat Khadijatul Kubra Radhul English Medium Madrasa.
Okay. Is it madrasa?
Madrasa, actually, this is total English medium, other side Arabic.
So, what is your subject? What do you teach in your school?
Actually, I am a principal there. Around 20 teachers, my around.
Okay.
Sometimes I take class, but not continue.
So, you are the principal of your school.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am observing.
Okay. You just observe your staff, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. That sounds good. Okay. Then, how do you go to your school?
Actually, my home distance 30 minutes. I go to by rickshaw.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I always practice English. In my free time, I always watching short movie, English cartoon. And if I get time, I read English book.
Very good. Very good. So, do you practice English with your colleagues or with your husband
Yes, sir.
or
Yes, sir.
somebody
Yes,
else?
sir. Yes, sir. My directors are always speaking English. So I need English properly.
Thank you so much, Masuda Begum.
Thank you, sir.
Masud Fakir.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. How are you, Masud Fakir?
I'm fine, sir. And you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. So, what is your full name?
My full name is MD Masood Fakir.
So, tell me, Masud Fakir, where do you live at present?
I live in Riyadh at Saudi Arabia.
Okay, so you live at Riyadh in Saudi Arabia, right?
Yes.
Okay,
I am
so
living.
you are living in Saudi Arabia. Okay, so what do
Yes,
you do?
yes. I am doing job private company in Saudi Arabia.
So, how do you go to your company?
I am going my company by bus.
So, tell me, Masud Fakir, do you practice English every day?
Yes, sir. I am practicing English every day at 6 p.m.
Do you try to speak English with your colleagues, with your friends, or with somebody else?
I am every day trying to my best practicing English because my all colleague is no English, but I am only something. But don't continue speaking English. My colleague, my boss is Arabic. He only know the English. Don't other language, Bengali, Hindi. He don't know other language. He only know English.
Why do you want to learn English, Masud?
Because English is an international language. Any country I'm going, I am speaking English. Don't any problem. Don't any problem creating other country and my country. My job place too much needed my job place because all people is know English. Don't another other language. He is all time speaking me this one, what do you, where do you go? All time is speaking English. Don't other language because I very needed to need my job place speaking English.
Okay, Masud, thank you so much. Fine, Mizi.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. How are you, Fine, Mizi?
I'm fine, sir. And you?
I'm also fine, Alhamdulillah. So, what's your full name?
Sir, my name is MD Khair Miji.
Where do you live?
I live in Chandpur.
What do you do, Kabir?
I am a student.
So, how do you pass your free time?
My free time is try to English improve.
Do you recite Holy Quran every day?
I read the Holy Quran every day. Surah, yes, in the morning. At night, Surah Waqiah. At midnight, Surah Mulk.
So, do you help your mother in the kitchen?
Yes, sir. Sometimes. Not regularly.
How do you go to your college?
I go to my college by CNG.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much. MD Raju.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. How are you, MD Raju?
I am fine, sir. And you?
Yeah, I'm also well, by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, what is your full name?
My name is.
MD Raju. That's it.
Yes, that's it.
So, Raju, where do you live?
I live in Oman.
So, what do you do in Oman, Raju?
Garden. I doing work at garden.
So, where is your home district in Bangladesh?
My home district at Noakhali.
When will you come back to Bangladesh? Do you have any plan?
I will. Yes, I will go to Bangladesh after 2 years.
Do you try to speak English with your colleagues or with any other people?
No, sir. All friends can't speak English.
How do you pass your free time?
I now pass my free time practicing English every day.
Okay, Raju, thank you so much. Tanjina.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. How are you, Tanjina?
I'm fine. How are you, sir?
I'm also fine, Alhamdulillah. So, what is your full name?
My name is Tanjina and my nickname Bonna.
So, where do you live, Tanjina?
I'm living Brahmanbari Ashogoj.
So, what do you do?
I'm a housewife.
So, Tanjina, why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because it is a international language. Moreover, I like English language.
When do you practice English at your home?
I can't find anyone practice with me because my children is very small. I want to practice with someone who is practice me, but I can't find anyone. I living alone.
How do you practice English at your home?
I practice in English audios.
By listening audio and watching PDF.
Yes, sir.
So when do you practice?
I practice English at 10:30 p.m. Until then 1 p.m.
How do you pass your free time?
I am passing my free time English practice. Sometimes I watch reels, comedy film, and talking my father and my parents, my sister, my brother, my relative.
So do you watch YouTube?
Yes, sir. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook.
Okay. So can you cook biryani, Tanjina?
Yes, I cook biryani because my children loves biryani.
Okay, Tanjina. Thank you so much. Najimuddin, what's your full name?
My full name is Najimuddin.
Where do you live?
I live in Gazipur.
You live in Gazipur. What do you do?
I'm a teacher of madrasa.
So what is your what's the name of your madrasa?
The name of my madrasa is Darul Ulum Islamia Madrasa.
So why do you want to learn English, Najimuddin?
I want to learn English to improve myself.
Okay, so do you try to speak English?
Yes, I always try to practice English, and every day I try to speak with myself. And because I have no partner to practice, that's why I am practicing with myself.
So when do you practice English at your home?
Most of the time, I practice in the morning in my free time, and sometimes I practice at night at my house.
How do you practice English?
I follow TimeSeti. Always I follow TimeSeti, and sometimes by following rules of TimeSeti, Times English Center, I practice with myself, and sometimes I try to describe some things like light, like a table, like a chair, with. Sometimes I practice with other, but who can't speak, who can't understand and speak. I try to speak with them, but sometimes they laugh with me. But I try to keep practicing.
So can you drive car?
No, sir. I can't drive car.
So do you want to drive car?
Yes, sir. I want to drive car. Inshallah, I will learn to drive car.
Will you apply for driving license?
Yes, sir. Inshallah, when I can drive car, then I will apply for driving license.
Okay, Nazimuddin, thank you so much. Yasin Arafat.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. How are you, Yasin?
Sir, Alhamdulillah, I'm good, sir. How are you, sir?
Also fine, Alhamdulillah. So, Yasin Arafat, what is your full name?
My name is Yasin.
Where do you live, Yasin?
Sir, I live in Bangladesh.
What do you do?
Sir, my profession is Amazon seller.
So how do you practice English, Yasin?
I practice English PDF file.
When do you practice English?
Sir, I do practice English in the morning 9 to 12 a.m.
Okay. Do you practice English regularly?
Yes, sir, I am practicing in English regularly.
Do you try to speak English with other people?
No, sir, I am not try to English other people.
So do you like biryani?
Yes, sir, I like cook biryani.
Can you cook biryani?
No, sir, I am not cook biryani.
Will you learn cooking biryani?
No, sir, I can't learn cook biryani.
So do you like tea or coffee?
I always like tea.
So can you drive car, Yasin?
I don't know driving, sir.
Okay, Yasin, thank you so much. Fahmida Ahmed aছেন, Fahmida Ahmed.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. How are you, Fahmida?
I'm fine, alhamdulillah, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm also fine, alhamdulillah. So, Fahmida, where do you live?
I live at Dhaka Uttara in Bangladesh.
Okay, so what do you do?
I do not any job. I am a housemaker. I take care of my child.
So, you take care of your child.
Yes, sir.
You're a full-time housewife.
Yes, sir. I'm full-time housewife.
Okay, it's a great duty actually.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's my pleasure.
So, why do you want to learn English, Fahmida?
English is our international language, so it is very important to us. My 3 children is English medium students. They always talk to English, also Bangla. So it is very important to me, sir,
To learn English, right?
to learn English. Yes, sir.
So, do you try to speak English with them?
No, sir. I talk to them in Bangla.
So, do they help you to speak
Yes,
English?
sir. My daughter helped me.
Okay, so when do you practice English at your home, Fahmida?
Sir, I practice home in the morning and at night.
So, can you cook biryani, Fahmida?
Yes, sir. I cook biryani very well.
Tell me that. Can you drive car, Fahmida?
No, sir. I don't drive a car.
Do you want to drive car?
Yes, sir. I want.
Okay, Fahmida. Then tell me that how do you pass your free time?
Pass my free time. I learn English, practice English, and Facebook videos, recite Quran.
That's great. So, do you recite Holy Quran every day?
Yes, sir. Inshallah.
Okay, Fahmida. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Shuman bin Kashem. So, what is your full name?
My name is Shuman bin Kashem.
Your name is Shuman bin Kashem. Okay, where do you live?
I live in Qatar, Doha.
What do you do?
I doing one multi-international company is salesman.
What is your company's name?
My company's name is like Aramex.
So, how do you go to your company?
Car, I'll go with my car.
You go with your car.
Yeah,
Can you drive?
yeah, I can drive.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English. My company also like everywhere is program English, but multi-international company, they are always spoke in English. Fluency need actually correct English. So I try to is my best for English.
So, do you practice English?
Yeah, I practice English. Some my calling and some my customer.
When do you practice English at your home?
Sometime I have time. My work finish. That after I will back. I take shower and take eat after maybe 1 hour, 2 hour, like at night.
How do you pass your free time?
I pass free time. Sometime I call my family. Sometime I call my friend, and sometime like watch Facebook.
Can you cook biryani?
No, I can't cook biryani.
Okay, so can you cook food?
Little like I can, but not everything I cook.
Okay, so do you want to learn English properly?
Yes, I want to learn English properly. If fluency, I need talking to every person.
So you should practice English properly. Okay, you should practice English daily. Shuman, thank you so much. Acha, Noor ke Noor. So how do you practice English at your home, Noor?
Actually, sir, I can't get enough time for practicing English, but I try to speak in English with my daughter and my wife. I try to practice with them.
So where do you work?
Actually, sir, I am working at Plan Arfil Group as a divisional sales manager. I am responsible for half of the country.
Tell me that. Can you drive car?
Actually, sir, till now not, but I think I will be able to one day.
Inshallah.
And I hope that I will be able to buy a car.
When do you practice English at your home?
Actually, sir, I can't enough time for practicing English. As my job purpose, I need to so much traveling. So when I travel, like from Dhaka to Chittagong, I try to practice English by mobile.
So how do you travel to one place to another place?
Sir, actually, I stay only Dhaka Friday and Saturday, sometimes Sunday, and others day I need to travel.
Do you travel from one place to another place by bus or by train?
Sometimes bus, sometimes train, and sometimes plane.
Okay, Nurul Islam, thank you so much.